Wanted to give a little update on what is happening with the S14 right now. Do a quick rundown of all the changes that we're planning to make, where the car is right now, and where it's going. We pulled the engine, we sent it over to the frame shop and had it actually properly straightened. We're also redoing the front end completely. As you may notice, well, there's nothing there. Well, I'm moving to rear mount radiator. It was something that I'd wanted to do all season, but honestly I had no budget or time, and it's a pretty major redo. And along with that comes rewiring, which we're going to talk to Tyson about in the next video. Dash is going to stay the same, but better features and some new seats. So we're finally doing the big boy changes. Firewall, new fuel cell from Radium, pretty cool. We have their newest drop-in surge tank with a hanger, which is a lot easier to service if we need to make a quick change of pumps or anything like that. This is a rear mount radiator from PWR. We have a water pump, electric water pump directly mounted to the radiator. Actually, the reason why I want this is my crumple zone was basically my intercooler. So I really want to build in a proper crumple zone into the front of my car so that if I hit somebody or if I hit a wall, it's not damaging anything integral. I can just swap the bash bar. So that's the biggest reason why I wanted to go rear mount radiator, aside from the cooling issues, was actually just longevity of the parts, protection of the car, and making it a little bit more ready for a lot of battles. So every time we step up a level, I sort of make some improvements. And so I'm trying to make now all the improvements so that everything else becomes driver development.